How much is hidden inflation costing you? Hi, Dave Wilkins, Wolverine Business Solutions, where we transform your accounting and operations into strategic systems and partner with you in using them to find and make more money. One of the more frustrating parts of running a business is that you can be doing all the right things to control your spending to minimize inflation, but still expenses go up for all sorts of reasons. Employee turnover, as we talked about last week, is a big one, but there are a lot more. Some of these reasons include shoplifting. On average, there are over 550,000 shoplifting events per day, which total over 35 million. The number of ways people have found to avoid paying for every item in self-checkout lanes is mind-boggling. Some retailers are actually removing self-checkout lanes to cut their losses. Another very similar cause is employee theft and fraud. The U.S. Chamber of Commerce reports that $50 billion is lost annually. This includes employees who pad their expense accounts. Poor quality control opens you up to sloppy work that must be redone, costing you time and money. It also shows up in clerical or paperwork mistakes that cost you money in overpaying vendors, lost customers, or customers not paying. Vendor fraud is another source, which usually results from poor quality control and payment procedures, or the vendor colluding with an employee. Frivolous lawsuits are also becoming more common. Most businesses would rather settle a lawsuit for a few $1,000s than go to court and not involve their insurance companies to avoid increases in premiums. Then there are the penalties and higher fees you have to pay because you did not have all the business licenses or permits you were supposed to have or didn't renew them on time. Finally, there are the expenses associated with poor or lax cybersecurity practices. Poor password controls, opening emails containing malware or ransomware, and not having good security software is costing small and medium-sized businesses a lot of time and money. While the ransomware attacks on big companies get all the headlines, the U.S. Department of Justice reports that at least 75% of ransomware attacks hit the little guys like us. Hackers are actually recruiting employees in businesses to allow the hackers to deploy their ransomware. On top of that, the hackers do check out your business size and performance to figure out how much ransom to charge. And that does not count the lost revenues from having your systems not available. So, as you can see, there is a lot more to controlling your specific inflation besides watching how much you are spending on your obvious expenses. Having the right security, protection, audits, quality control, procedures, background checks, and employee training can make all the difference and save you a lot of time and money in the long run. To learn more about how Wolverine Business Solutions is partnering with our clients to keep up with inflation and to help them to find and make more money, please reach out to us using the link below. If you have any ideas for their content or questions on how to improve financial performance, accelerate growth, and build lasting value, please let us know in a message below as well. And be sure to join our Facebook group and our YouTube channel using the links below. Thanks.